What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol PROG for Progenity Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We've talked about it extensively through here and talked about it on its way down as well. And the main thing to discuss in today's video is the fact that from the 30-minute chart, you can actually see here, we have closed above this very strong resistance trend line. So that is noteworthy here. The daily close is above that level. The other thing that's worth pointing out as well is that this is technically a higher low if it's going to hold. Okay, so that's ultimately the question here. It's starting to look at least like it could be perking up. Now, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of work that needs to be done before we get involved, but the reason I wanted to make this video is to sort of give the advanced heads up that, hey, maybe this is going to start turning into a double bottom here. We know that our neckline is still at $3. That hasn't changed, so we would need to cross that first. But again, start putting this back on your radar after we now have a potentially higher low and also a break of that resistance trend line here. So that's really the main update to bring you guys. Again, don't get involved early. There's plenty of movement to be had up and over 3. There's no point in really trying to get in at the ground level looking for that where it could potentially resist here and roll back over. So please wait for confirmation. There's still a lot of work to be done, as I've said, but it's starting to show signs that, hey, maybe we're going to get a trend change here on the 30-minute up and over this resistance trend line. The next thing that we would need now that we have a higher low would be a higher set of highs. And again, where does that take us? Up and over this grouping here at $3. So that still is the main area to watch in the chart. That has not changed, as I mentioned. Now, if it doesn't hold as a higher low and we do roll back over, you really need to exercise some patience because the next major area of support that we're watching for is closer to 128. So that's all I've got for you today in Progenity. If you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the update, the advanced warning here, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.